Good morning, dear students. Today we will learn different types of angles according to their measures. So let's start. But before we start, let's see the key points of angles. The size of an angle depends on the space between its two arms or rays. And second, it does not matter on how long the rays are. The size of the angle remains the same. Students, there are 5 types of angles according to their measurement. That is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle and complete angle. Now let us learn more about each one of them. First is acute angle. Any angle which is less than 90 degree is known as acute angle. Students, now look at the given figure. Here, angle ABC measures 50 degrees. So, angle ABC is an acute angle. Next is right angle. An angle is said to be right angle when the measures of the angle is 90 degree. Students, look at the figure. Here, angle D, E and F measures exactly 90 degree. So, angle DEF is a right angle. Next is obtuse angle. An angle that measures more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree is called an obtuse angle. Now look at the figure. Here, angle PQR measures 125 degrees. So, we can say angle PQR is an obtuse angle. And next is straight angle. An angle that measures exactly 180 degree is called straight angle. Now student, look at the given figure. Here, angle LMN measures exactly 180 degree. So, we can say angle LMN is a straight angle. Now, let's see the next angle. And the next is reflex angle. An angle that measures more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree is called reflex angle. Students, you can see in the given figure. Here, angle XYZ measures 220 degrees which is more than 180 degree but less than 360 degree. So, we can say XYZ is a reflex angle. And the last one is complete angle. An angle whose measures is exactly 360 degree is called a complete angle. Students, here in the given figure you can see the measurement of given angle is exactly 360 degree. It means it is like a circle. So we can say angle ABC is a complete angle. Students, now let us identify the given angles. So first angle is, you can see it is more than 180 but less than 360 degree. So it means which type of angle is this? Correct. It is reflex angle. And the next one is, you can see it is like a circle. So which type of angle is this? Correct. It is complete angle. And the next one is right angle. Student, now look at the next figure. And here you can see it is more than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. It means it is obtuse angle. Now let's see the next figure. And here angle is formed on the straight line. So it means it is exactly 180 degree. So we can say it is a straight angle. And the last one is acute angle. So students, this is how you can identify and classify the given angles. I hope your concept is clear. Now it's practice time. And your question is, make different types of angles by using matchstick or toothpick. One is done for you. So student, you have to form different types of angle by using matchsticks and toothpick. So please do it and we'll meet in next video. Till then, thank you. Bye-bye. Take care.